Hello viewers. We discuss about green papaya in this video. Green papaya is really a powerful fruit as it is power-packed with essential nutrients that will help in digestive health and blood purification. Papaya contains lots of benefits in various ways. It is also delicious in taste and loaded with nutrients. It also contains papain enzyme, which breaks down through protein chains found in muscle. Two types of papaya are mainly grown. First one is yellow from inside and second one has red flesh. These are called yellow papaya and red papaya. Another kind of papaya is green in color which is white from the inside, called green papaya. Commonly red-fleshed Maridol, Sunrise, and Caribbean red papayas often sold in U.S. markets and grown in Mexico and Belize. Benefits of papaya: we all clean our skin and body to look beautiful externally, and for that, we apply lots of creams, moisturizers and sunscreen before stepping out of our home. But if we don't eat right, those lotions and potions will not help us. We have to make our skin glowy from inside. So for that, my favorite pick to make me beautiful from internally is green papaya. According to one study, people who ate fermented green papaya supplements for 1 month had less inflammation and a better ratio of bad LDL to good HDL, and uric acid levels were significantly improved. They found better heart health in those people and reduced the risk of heart-related disease. The shape of green papayas is similar to pears and can be up to 15 inches long. Its skin is green when it unripe and orange when it ripe. It contains healthy oxidants called carotenoids. The benefits of papaya are numerous and so has been consumed by people from all over the world. Nutrition that papaya contains: protein 1 gram, carbohydrates 1 gram, fiber 3 grams, vitamin C 157% of the RDI, vitamin A 33% of the RDI, folate, vitamin B9 14% of the RDI, potassium 11% of the RDI, calories 59. Now, let us share the potential benefits of papaya. 1. Green papaya has antioxidant effects. Green papaya is rich in fiber, vitamin C and antioxidants which prevent in building up of cholesterol in your arteries that control heart attack and hypertension. People who want to lose weight must include green papaya in their diet. It has low calories and high nutrition. Green papaya is a good option for people who are diabetic. Even though it is sweet in taste, but it contains low sugar. It also keeps the kidney healthy. In one study, patients with Alzheimer's disease were tested. Researchers had made a team of 10 old people and gave them one small papaya a day, 152 grams, to eat and observed them for a month. After the month, they found a 40% drop in a biomarker which indicates oxidative reduction, hence it lowers the risk of oxidative stress on those older adults. Number 2. Green papaya has anti-cancer properties. The research found that papaya has anti-cancer properties and it prevents a wide range of cancers. Green papaya is being declared as a cancer fruit. Researchers found that papaya is an effective anti-cancer agent against lung, breast, liver, cervix and pancreas cancer. Green papaya benefits by reducing free radicals that contribute to cancer. In many other fruits that contain antioxidants, papaya demonstrated anti-cancer activity in breast cancer cells. Number 3. Green papaya protects against skin damage. We all want to keep our skin healthy and green papaya helps us in achieving that goal, and ultimately our skin looks more healthy, toned and youthful. The vitamin C and lycopene in papaya protect the skin and help to reduce the signs of aging. In a study we found supplementing with lycopene for 70 to 80 days decreases skin redness for sun exposure. According to the one research, increased level of free radicals toxins in the body can cause several illnesses such as premature aging and acne. And consuming a slice of green papaya can protect you against oxidative damage. The antioxidants present in it can reduce the inflammation that causes acne. It also helps to firm the skin and reducing wrinkles and fine lines and make your skin youthful. Number 4. Green papaya is delicious and versatile. Papaya is delicious and it is loved by people from all over the world. The taste is good when chilled, so it's good to keep it in the refrigerator. Papaya can be combined with other foods that complement its flavor as it incredibly versatile in taste. Number 5. Internal Cleanser. Green papaya detoxifies the body, cleanse your colon and digestive tract. It is a great source of fiber that helps in chronic constipation, acidity, piles, and diarrhea. In one study, researchers gave green papaya to 10 people and asked them to consume it for next 40 days. After observing for more than 40 days, they had found significant improvement in their constipation and bloating. The digestive system was better than before in these people. The enzyme latex present in green papaya helps the body to cleanse from the inside. It can improve your skin tone and make your body healthy and glowing. According to some studies, consuming daily green papaya can help you to fight against free radicals and make your body internally healthy and glowing. Number 6. Boost your immunity. Your immunity system acts as a shield against many infections that can make you sick. Green papaya contains more than 200% of your daily requirements vitamin C that can boost our immune system. The antimicrobial properties present in papaya not only help to treat the infection but it also promotes your immune system and makes you healthy. According to the studies, consuming daily green papaya can help you to prevent illnesses such as colds, flu, and ear infections. It also restores the normal intestinal flora that can destroy due to the long-term use of antibiotics. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share this video. To find many more health-related videos, subscribe our channel now.